Before Palantir hit its $16 billion direct listing, they quietly priced government contracts below cost for 17 years, and it's the part they kept out of every filing. 2003. Peter Thiel writes the first check. The CIA writes the second. No commercial clients, no margin. Just one deliberate bet on a mechanism most investors couldn't read. But that wasn't even the part that built the moat. Here's the move. They sent their own engineers inside federal agencies and rebuilt the actual intelligence infrastructure. Not a software layer on top, the foundation. By 2010, 17 agencies had classified pipelines running on Palantir. At that point, switching wasn't a migration. It was a congressional hearing, a 3-year rebuild, and a national security risk. Every analyst called it unsustainable. 17 years of losses. Negative margins on every government contract. Traditional investors walked. The math looked like a company quietly bleeding out, but that was the point. Palantir wasn't building software. They were building switching costs so deep they became structural. Your threat models live there. Your institutional memory lives there. You don't leave. Commercial clients followed the government halo. Zero additional CAC. Trust already bought at the government's expense. The moat wasn't the algorithm. It wasn't the data. It was dependency disguised as infrastructure, which raises one question. How many companies are quietly building the same trap around you right now?